Hey guys, it's Trevor of Dynojet. Today, I'm going to be going over the install process of the Power Commander 5 on the 2017 to 2020 Honda Grom. We're going to go ahead and get this Power Commander 5 on this Grom today. It's a pretty easy install, and this Power Commander is going to help you optimize your air-fuel ratio without you directly having to change the stock mapping in the ECM. Only tools you're going to need today is a Phillips screwdriver, a 5mm Allen key or socket, a 1/4-inch ratchet, 10mm socket, and a spoon pick. First step in the install is we're going to go ahead and remove the seat. You're going to get your key, stick it in the keyhole, and you go ahead and twist it, pull up on your seat, pop the seat off. After removing the seat, we're going to go ahead and go to the left side of the bike. Underneath the tail section, there's going to be 3 screws that are Phillips heads. We're going to go ahead and remove those 3 screws. And go ahead and place them off to the side. Once we have the 3 bolts underneath removed, we're going to go ahead and come back to the top of the bike. Still working on the left side, we're going to go ahead and remove this back bolt, which is a Phillips head, and then we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt, which is a 10mm head. Once you have those 2 bolts out, we're going to go ahead and gently pull on this panel, pop it out just a little bit to give us a little bit better access to this last Phillips head. You can go ahead and remove that, pop it off, and that panel will pop right off. Once you have that side panel off, we're going to go ahead and start working forward on the bike. We're going to go ahead and take this bolt out with the Phillips head. After you get that out, we're going to work our way down and take out this bolt, which is a 10mm head. Once you get that out, we're going to go ahead and go underneath the seat release. It's going to be a bolt, which is a 5mm Allen head. Go ahead and remove that. Once you have that removed, we can move more forward on the bike. There's going to be 2 bolts on this outer plastic. It's going to be 2 5mm Allen heads. Go ahead and remove those. And then once you have those removed, we're going to go ahead and move to the inner side of the plastics. You're going to go ahead and take off this bolt on the inner side of the plastics off. On the top, it's going to be a Phillips head, and they're going to have a push pin below that, and then below that push pin you're going to have 1 more. Go ahead and pop both those off and then remove that bolt, and we'll be able to remove this whole panel. Push pins, you're going to go ahead and just push in the center and then gently get underneath them and pop them out. Once we have all those bolts off and the push pins on the inside of the plastics, we're going to go ahead and gently give this plastic a pull. And lift up. Now that we have the plastic off, we're going to go ahead and start routing our Power Commander. We're going to be placing this Power Commander today underneath the seat directly in front of the battery. We're going to go ahead and route our wires down the left side of the bike, and then drop the Power Commander right in front of the battery. Once you have your wires routed, we're going to go ahead and locate our ECM. Go ahead and pop the ECM off the bracket. Go ahead and disconnect the ECM, and then plug the Power Commander in line with the ECM, and then the other side of the Power Commander back in line with the bike. Once you have it connected, you can go ahead and tuck up our excess wires and mount the ECM back on its bracket. Now we got the Power Commander installed, let's go ahead and get this bike back together. And that's it. The installation process of Power Commander 5 on this Grom is done. It's a pretty painless install to help your bike run its best in its current form or any modifications you guys decide to do down the road. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out at Dynojet.com.